Hello everyone, welcome to MELI's English learning videos. There is a famous saying that Britain and America are two countries divided by one language. British and American English are different in many ways, mainly vocabulary, accent, and pronunciation. We will go with the vocabulary part first. Today, I'm going to teach you 4 words which are different in British and American English. So, let's give it a start. The first word for today is biscuit, which is used in British English. Americans instead say cookie. For example, do you have some biscuits? Or do you have some cookies? The second British word that is different in American English is autumn. Fall is used by Americans instead of autumn. For example, leaves change color in autumn, or leaves change color in fall. Moving on, a British person would say, let's watch a film. However, an American would say, let's watch a movie. For example, the new film needs to be extra special. Or the new movie needs to be extra special. And lastly, holiday is what is used by British people for a time of rest from work or school. On the other hand, Americans use the word vacation instead of saying holiday. For example, I'm going on a holiday next week, or I'm going on a vacation next week. This is the end of our lesson for today. Don't forget to use these words in some brilliant sentences at home. Thank you.